Do you use toothpaste twice a day? Is your bedroom clean? Do you enjoy learning in your classroom? Do you carry a laptop bag to work? Do you wear a raincoat during the monsoon? Have you ever been to the airport? Do you like sitting in sunlight in winter? Do you get a haircut every month? Do you carry a notebook to class? Do you drink tea in a teacup? Do you read your English textbook every day? Do you swim in a swimming pool? Have you visited the post office recently? Do you wait at the bus stop every morning? Do you talk with your classmate daily? Do you live with your grandfather? Do you know how to tie a shoelace? Do you meet friends at a coffee shop? Did you attend a birthday party last week? Do you complete your homework on time? Do you use your mobile phone wisely? Do you watch any news channel daily? Do you prepare well for your class test? Do you travel by school bus? Do you use a wireless keyboard? Have you participated in a fire drill? Do you carry a lunchbox to school? Do you store files in a pen drive? Do you carry a water bottle every day? Do you play football regularly?